How are we looking today, Tom?
Pete, will kick off in fairly flat terms this morning, which is not a bad outcome, I suppose, under the circumstances where sellers of late have been having a bit of a day out. Overnight, where Northern Hemisphere markets are concerned, a bit of a divergence between what we saw on opposite sides of the Atlantic. On the one hand, US markets tried to make a fist of things in early trade, moving higher, but sellers just took advantage of that strength, and we saw the markets end generally weaker. The technology sector was the one that stood out, so the NASDAQ was down by more than 1%. The S&P 500 finished down by 0.5%, and the Dow Jones was just in negative territory. Slightly counterintuitive given the fact that we saw a moderation where long and short-term interest rates are concerned. So 10-year government bonds were down by a decent margin, actually, 8 basis points to 459. I know that doesn't mean much to humans, but that is a considerable move lower in long-term interest rates, which normally would have been supportive for tech stocks at least, but not under these circumstances. So quite a bit of earnings news out. We're in the midst of the US company earnings season. United Airlines did very well last night, Pete. It was up by the most part of 20%. They had a smaller than expected loss. Yes. So this is noteworthy because they own Alaska Air, who had the inconvenience of things falling off their aeroplanes in the air, which is unwelcome when it comes to planes. And they have said that notwithstanding the issues with Boeing, that's not going to pose a significant issue for the business. And that's part of the reason why the stock was up as smartly as it was. Eli Lilly, look, they have come out and said that they can potentially look forward to diagnosing people with sleep apnea and selling one of their drugs to them, thanks to clinical trials that have shown that they can manage sleep apnea with their weight loss drugs. So that was good news for them.
All right, Tom, thank you.